Greetings to you wherever you are. In today's lesson, toda kutarisa a question on trigonometry, advanced level pure mathematics. Before we get into this question, may you please consider joining the family through subscribing, following, liking, sharing, and commenting. Saka mfunzo watinoda kuita, we are going to employ basic trig identities. And I'll try to show you as we progress. The color coding of our lesson, zvese zvamunotarisirwa kunyora in an exam setup, kureva kuti muchi-answer this particular question, zvichange zvakanyorwa in the color white, then ma-illustrations nezvimwe zvatichaita trying to explain zvatiri kuita will be presented in other colors. So let us show you the question we want to attempt and go straight into it. This is the question we want to do. Simplify P to a single trigonometric ratio. P is equal to sine 360 degrees plus theta, cos 180 degrees plus theta, tan 360 degrees plus theta. Saka question yedu tinoianza sei? Chekutanga tinonyora this expression down. Expression yedu iri kuti P is equal to sine 360 degrees plus theta, cos 180 degrees plus theta, then tan 360 degrees plus theta. Tanyora that expression, chatinofanirwa kuziva ndechekuti tiri kudhila nezvinhu zviri kana kuti tiri kudhila nema-angles ari in which quadrants. If you remember well, we explained and dealt with different quadrants. Takataura isusu tichiti ma-quadrants edu anenge ari in this form. So there are actually 4 quadrants. Tikati we have a mnemonic inonzi cast. Cast yedu manyorero atinoita ndeaya. Tinoti C A S T. This is cast. Then kubva panapa it's 0 degrees kusvika apa it's 90 degrees because this is a right angle. Then tinobva pa90 tichienda pa180, tobva pa180 toedda 90 kuti tiwane 270. Saka tati 0 to 90. Tasvika pa90 tabva tati 90 plus 90 tikawana 180. Toti 180 plus 90 towana 270. Then tichati 270 plus 90 towana 360, like this. Saka this is a generalized outlay cannot outline of my different quadrants now. Of course, this will be quadrant number 1, quadrant number 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4, like this. Chatakuda pano manje, we have to know kuti theta watiri kudhila naye, which is our angle, ari kuwanikwa in which quadrant. Tinofanirwa kuziva kuti theta watiri kudhila naye is our unknown angle, ari kuwanikwa in which quadrant. Tikatarisa panapa, sine 360 degrees plus theta, we already know kuti behavior ya sine 360 degrees plus theta, kana kuti patinoti sine 360 degrees plus theta, munenge muri muquadrant number 1. Saka theta uya ari kuwanikwa muquadrant 1. Saka izva zvinyorwe izvi zvinhu zvamunofanirwa kuziva. Saka ndiri kuzvinyora in this particular color because hazvisi exactly part of our solution, but zvinhu zvamunofanirwa kuziva. And I'm going to soon show you kuti nemhaka yei tati theta ari pekutanga apo pana sine 360 degrees plus theta ari in the first quadrant. We are going to take that image yatakanyora ma different quadrants and different behaviors inside those quadrants. then we are going to use that to justify zvandataura apo. Saka this theta are in the first quadrant. Then when we say cos of 180 degrees plus theta, patinowana cos aina 180 degrees plus theta, it's in the second quadrant. Kureva kuti theta anenge ari second quadrant. Then lastly, patinoti tan of 360 degrees plus theta, this is the first quadrant. So let me first justify zvandiri kutaura panapa. So this is our diagram ratakataura ma different quadrants. Tataura tichiti kwatinowana sine of 360 degrees plus theta mu first quadrant. As you can see kuti under the first quadrant ndipo pana sine of 360 degrees plus theta. What explains this is zvatakatsanangura tichiti if an angle is greater than 360 degrees, kureva kuti iri kukavha one period kana kuti one complete revolution, then yozova ne-a remainder inenge iri in the first quadrant. And we should know kuti in the first quadrant all functions are positive, kureva kuti both sine, cos and tan are going to be positive. What am I saying exactly? Let me try to explain the reason why sine of 360 degrees plus theta na tan 360 degrees plus theta zvichiwanikwa in the first quadrant. Zviri kungoitika panapa ndezvekuti we complete a revolution, then the remainder of an angle remains in the first quadrant. Let us say kuti angle yatiinayo is going to be 360, not 360 rather, but 390 degrees. Takada draw 390 degrees, tinodai so. We complete a revolution, or at 360. Then twatazoedda chi 30 degrees. Kuti ive chi? Kuti ive 390 degrees. Saka ka 30 kanaka ndo katiri interested with. Ka remainder katiri kuwana after ta complete a revolution. But if you are not understanding these technicalities, I would understand. What you should do rather is you have to ask, and I'll try to find other ways and means of explaining this to you. Asi zvamufunga kuziva in the meantime, you should study ma quadrants aya, and you should know my different behaviors which are obtained in different quadrants. Mufanga kuziva kuti in the first quadrant tina 360 degrees plus theta, tina 90 degrees minus theta. In the second quadrant tina 180 degrees minus theta, tobva taita futi 90 degrees plus theta. Tatova ne a first difference between the first quadrant and the second quadrant. In the first quadrant tinoti 90 minus theta, but in the second quadrant tinoti 90 plus theta. Mukaenda ku third quadrant tina 180 degrees plus theta, then mukaenda ku fourth quadrant tina 360 degrees minus theta. Then kunzwisisa that mnemonic cast inenge ichiti CAST kunokuudzai kuti in the first quadrant everything is positive. That's why sine 360 degrees plus theta na cos kana kuti tan 360 degrees plus theta iri equal to tan theta, iri equal to sine theta, cos theta, tan theta respectively. And mukatarisa 90 degrees minus theta ndopano apply zvataitaura zvezviya zvaanonzi ma cofunctions. Sine of 90 degrees minus theta iri equal to the cofunction which is cos theta, and cos theta, cos of 90 degrees minus theta iri equal to sine theta. The reason why tichimati ma cofunctions iri present even in the terming of these things, because kuti sine theta zvinobva pakuti chi sine, and then kuti cos tikada kunyora yakazara inoti cosine, mazvoona. Saka tina sine versus cosine, ndosaka chinzi ma cofunctions. Tiri cofunction because tangowedzera CO pamberi pasine. Ndoukama uripo, they are cofunctions. Sine versus cosine. And this idea of cofunctions functions also kana tiri panapa. Second quadrant, sine of 90 degrees plus theta is equal to cos theta, but the cos of 90 degrees plus theta is equal to minus sine theta. And why is it minus sine theta? It's a behavior which you should know. Then third quadrant, we also see kuti panapa we are helped by knowing kuti this is this is CAST. That is why tan 180 degrees plus theta iriyo yega iri positive. Then muno munenge muina C, the same reason why cos of 360 degrees minus theta iriyo yega iri positive. Zvimwe zvese zviri negative. Saka if you need help understanding quadrants kana kuti kuexplain relationships aripo, you have to tell and we'll try to help each other. Okay, coming back here. Saka sine of 360 degrees plus theta inowanikwa first quadrant. Cos 180 degrees plus theta inowanikwa second quadrant ish. Cos 180 degrees minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Ngazvizikanwa kuti inenge iri equal to minus cos theta zvakare. Then tan of 360 degrees plus theta inowanikwa first quadrant. Zvekuti inowanikwa kupi zvinhu zvofanirwa kuva mumusoro menyu. Hamutarisiri kuzvinyora saka tashandisa kakala ako. Then kana takuenderera mberi, let me remove this kuitira kuti munyatsokuona kuti answer yedu tinoda kuti ibude yakaita sei. Let me remove everything which should not be there, so including this. And saka answer yedu mabudiro inoita ndeaya. Tinenge takuti P is equal to the sine of 360 degrees plus theta iri equal to sine theta. Mukauya first quadrant kunoku ndozvamunowana zviriko. Sine of 360 degrees plus theta is equal to sine theta. Saka izvi zvinofanirwa kuzikanwa. Then the cos of 180 degrees plus theta inenge iri equal to minus cos theta. Remember, ndozviri second quadrant. The cos of 180 degrees minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Like that. Then also, the tan of 360 degrees plus theta is equal to chi? To tan theta. Saka patanyora taka simplify. Ndiyo inenge ichinzi reduction formula. Hazvina basa kuti munoziva kuti inonzi reduction formula here kana kuti inonzi chii. That is immaterial. Chakakosha kuziva zviri kuitika. We have identified kuti 360 degrees plus theta tinoiwana first quadrant, then 180 degrees plus theta tinoiwana second quadrant. Ndobva taziva kuti sine of 360 degrees plus theta iri equal to sine theta, then the cos of 180 degrees plus theta is stipulated in the second quadrant iri equal to minus cos theta, and the tan of 360 degrees plus theta is equal to tan theta. That is what we have known. Then tadai, panapa manyorero atazviita tichireplace according to what we discover from the quadrants. We have obeyed the obtaining relationship between sine, cos, and tan. If you look closely, these things are multiplying each other. And if you look in our answer, zvatawana sine theta minus cos theta and tan theta are also multiplying each other. Then tadai so much. Takungoti P is equal to, panapa we can multiply sine theta times minus cos theta inova minus sine theta cos theta, like that. Then instead of kunyora tan theta, we already know that tan theta is equal to chi? Sine theta over cos theta, like that. Mazviona. Then panapa tikada kusimplify further, cos theta iyi yakutokanzelana na cos theta inoi, kureva kuti p inosara iri equal to tina minus sin theta times sin theta, which is minus sin squared theta. Zvatopera. So ndo mawekero atinoita, handiti ndo mawekero tinoita. Let us go to the second part of this question. Kana muine any mubvunzo apo, please don't hesitate to ask. Please don't hesitate to ask. The second part of this question iri kutiudza kuti q and is equal to the cos of theta minus 360 degrees, then sine of 90 degrees plus theta, sine of minus theta. This is dividing the sine of theta plus 180 degrees, like that. Zvanzi simplify q to a single trigonometric ratio, so it have to be single. Tichaita sei? Tikatarisa apo, especially zvinhu zviri mukati memabrackets, tinoona kuti mukati mebracket rekutanga tina theta minus 360 degrees. Mukati rebracket rechipiri tina 90 degrees plus theta. Inoi tinobva tatoziva kuti tinoiwana kupi? Kusecond quadrant. Then iyi yakanzi sin of minus theta, toziva kuti tichaaplya ma-negative identities atakadzidza. And yakanzi theta plus 180 degrees, knowing kuti theta plus 180 degrees zvakafanana nekuti 180 degrees plus theta. That is the same reason why tichaita sei? We are going to apply what we find where in the third quadrant. You see? Saka, this is very important. So before we go anywhere, we have a problem here. Because hatina theta minus 360 degrees. Muma brackets atinawo inside the four quadrants we have. Saka we have to manipulate that in such a way yekuti zvinomecha nezvatinazvo in our quadrants, kana kuti in our quadrant diagram. Saka tinozviita sei? Tinouya kunobva tati consider cos of theta minus 360 degrees. We have to consider that. So when we are considering the cos of theta minus 360 degrees, how do we go about it? Tinoda iso. Tinonyora takati the cos of, then we rearrange yova minus 360 degrees plus theta, like this. Saka tangu rearrange zvinhu mukati memabrackets, tichitanga na negative 360 degrees plus theta. Then tadaro, let us factor out this negative. Kureva kuti ndingayada iso, the cos of, factor out a negative. Mukati mebracket munosara muinani? Mosara muna 360 degrees minus theta, like this. Mazvona? Zvinosara zviri mukati memabrackets. Because ta factor out a negative, tikati minus times 360 degrees, ndiyo minus 360 degrees. Tikati minus times minus theta, ndiyo plus theta. So you see how it goes. Then panapa tobva taendera mberi tichiti, when we know that the cos of a negative theta is equal to cos theta. Tinozviziva from negative identities. Therefore, zvoreva kuti the cos of minus 360 degrees minus theta inenge yakangofanana nekuti cos of 360 degrees minus theta. And let me explain what has happened here. Tinoziva, I have reason to believe kuti kubva panapa kusvikira apa tiri tese, because tangoshandisa basic algebra. Patazoita invoke this negative identity, the cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So this is a statement pama-negative identities. Taiaplaya sei? Iyi iri kutiudza kuti the cos of negative theta. Saka theta yedu iri kurepresenta an angle, in this case 360 degrees minus theta. So minus any angle, kana iri cos, cos of minus any angle iri equal to cos of that angle. Saka cos of minus angle ino ish iri mukati memabrackets inenge iri equal to cos of bracket racho iroro. Ndozviri kutaurwa panapa kuti the cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So that is how we applied it. I really hope I explain myself panapa. Kamsina kunzwisisa, don't again hesitate to ask. Saka because of what we have done, we can now rewrite panapa takuti theta is equal to, kwete kuti theta, q is equal to, then pakanzi cos of theta minus 360 degrees, theta kunyora takati chi? This is the cos of 360 degrees minus theta. Yatawana through this manipulation. Then panapa sine of 90 degrees plus theta. Then up with sine of minus theta, like that. And this is over what? This is over the sine of, panapa takuti sine of, togona edu kinyora takati 180 degrees plus theta rutendero. Because kuti theta plus 180 degrees zvakangofanana nekuti 180 degrees plus theta. And then tava pano takuchizvibvunza mubvunzo wekuti cos 360 degrees minus theta kana kuti bracket rina 360 degrees minus theta tinoriwanepi? Tinoriwana in the fourth quadrant. And in the fourth quadrant, cos of 360 degrees minus theta inenge iri equal to cos theta, because cos is positive in the fourth quadrant. If you want to verify what I'm saying, we can come here. In the fourth quadrant, do muna cos of 360 degrees minus theta, and then get equal to cos theta because cos is positive in the fourth quadrant. Saka ndo maziviro amufunga kuzviita nemusoro kuti chakati chiri pakati uye chinodanwa zvakadini. Saka instead of kunyora kuti cos of 360 degrees minus theta, titangonyora panapa kuti cos theta, then sine of 90 degrees plus theta. Kana iri 90 degrees plus theta, zviri mu-second quadrant. And kana zviri mu-second quadrant, what we also know is, ndopatinotaura pamusoro pema-cofunctions. And the sine of 90 degrees plus theta inenge iri equal to minus cos theta. Minus cos theta, like this. And this can also be verified. Panapa, second quadrant, the sine of 90 degrees plus theta iri equal to cos theta. Saka is minus cos theta, it made a mistake. Inova minus, inifunga iri cos of 90 degrees plus theta ndo inenge iri equal to minus sine theta. So please, I hope I've made this mistake on behalf of you. Kuti musazoita the same mistake. That is why I don't know how, but you have to internalize this graph musoro. If it means kuclaim, for the meantime, makamirira kuzorigona kuti rive part of you, kuti internalize. Ngatitoclaimai maquadrants aya. Kutodzidzira kuzvinyora izvi pabepa musina kuzvitarisa. Muchazozvidzidza with application, but for now, let us learn it like that. But musaita my mistakes as I have just did. Saka inoishi cos of theta inenge iri equal to chi? Sine of 90 degrees plus theta inenge ingori equal to cos theta. And the sine of minus theta we know kuti inenge iri equal to minus sine theta. Takazvita pama negative identities. You can go and check that particular lesson. And we know that this is going to be over. The sine of 180 degrees plus theta, tunayowana, of course, in the second quadrant. It's not the second quadrant, it's the third quadrant. and iri third quadrant, the sine of 180 degrees plus theta inenge iri equated to a negative trig function. Let us confirm. So yes, it is in the third quadrant, and the sine of 180 degrees plus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Ndozvatangoita panapa. Saka sine of 180 degrees plus theta, it's minus sine theta, like this. And as we can already know, minus sine theta yakutochekana. Tosara tina cos theta times cos theta, which is equal to cos squared theta. Saka this is going to be our final answer. So ndo mawekero atinoita ino ishi. I hope I'm doing justice. Let us go to our last part, the last part of this question. Iri kuti chi? Iri kuti hence determine number 1 p plus q, then secondly q over p. Saka tikada kuita number 1 ishi yakati p plus q. We know from zvatabva kuweka kumusoro kuti p iri equal to minus sine squared theta. And we know kuti q inge iri equal to chi? Cos squared theta. Mapaona. And knowing this, we also know kuti p plus q zvakangofanana nekuti chi? Q plus p. Anditika. Therefore, iyo kana takuinyora tenge takuti tinogona kutanga tati p plus q is equal to q plus p, which is equal to, what is q? Q ndi cos squared theta. Then apo inova plus, and what is p? P ndi minus sine squared theta. Saka plus na minus ukasangana zvoita minus, kurota pa we have cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. So apparently this will be our answer panapa. We do not have an identity in our apply apo. You might think of this identity, not sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is identical to 1. I apply up because we have a negative. Saka answer yedu inongobuda iri togona kunyora takati minus sine squared theta plus cos squared theta, kana kuti cos squared theta minus sine squared theta, whatever way we see fit. Then number 2 yedu inobuda sei? Number 2 yakati chi? Q over p. So q over p is equal to q ndo yatati it's cos squared theta dividing, and p tati ndiani? The sine squared theta. The negative yedu togona kuisa panapa. Kunyange hayo yanga ifanga iri pano, but we already know kuti we do not favor writing my negative signs in denominator. So this is going to be equal to, ngazvitarisa muchaona kuti since we know kuti tan squared theta ndiyo iri identical to sine squared theta over cos squared theta, but panapa tiri kutanga na cos squared theta pamusoro over sine squared theta pasasi, kureva kuti panapa tangopidigura ishi kuside uku, zvoreva kuti togona kungopidigura kunoku. Saka 1 over tan squared theta ndo inenge iri equal to chi? Ndo inenge iri equal to cos squared theta over sine squared theta. You understand? Saka panapa this is equal to chi? Minus 1 over tan squared theta, which is equal to negative cot squared theta, like this. So that will be our answer pa number 2. Saka ndo zvinodikwa pa question number 1. I hope ndatsanangura nenzira yamanzwisisa. Kana pane pandisinganyatsotsangura zvakanaka, shandisai my comments, shandisai manumbers angu kufunza. Toramba tichibatsirana kusvikira concept yanyora mumusoro kusvikira takuzinzwisisa. Otherwise maita basa nokuteerera kwenyu. I hope pane zvamadzidza, and have a nice one.